Let's go to the next step, and each step will become a little bit shorter, but I wanted to address the theme of balance, and we invited the beings which create the spaces that this is possible for us. This makes it possible that we human beings can live in a body. And now we go to this, going out to the cosmos. And we continue this journey a little bit more now. And in module or week 4, 5, 6, we look more into the other part. How do we come back from there? What does this going out bring to us? And this going out in music is expressed through nature. And if you do with your left leg a step forward, and the right foot goes a little bit, not far to the side, you create this feeling of being ready for going out. Just a basic major feeling. Feel your beautiful hips. Feel the shoulder girdle, the joy in it. I'm ready to go out. What will I experience? And then let this joy move into your upper arms, make them light. Lead this joy into your lower arms, make them spread the wings. Go into the wrists of your hands, arrive in them, but then they stop, not further. And then return to the lower arms. Just look, you've got everything you need in yourself. And then spread the lower arms. Feel the space close to you as all these jewels, pearls, everything of wealth and beauty and wisdom. Everything is so close to me. It's within my garden. Just use this movement that I have to open my eyes to perceive it. And I open my eyes in my lower arms, trying to catch a glimpse on what is there. And not just try to notice the feeling in your arms, in your whole body when you do this. And then just return to yourself, the one who has observed all these things. Close your legs and let go. Now we want to try to do it with the legs as well. And if you need to hold on to something, don't hesitate, because we just swing one leg very gently as we did it with the arms. Or if you want to do it sitting, move a little bit forward that you sit at the edge of your chair. So whatever. And those who can do it standing freely, do it like this. And all you try to do, you try to move your lower leg slightly forward, slightly backwards. And you try to recollect, how was it with the arms? Can I create a similar impression, similar sort of devotion, a similar way of perceiving things in my lower legs? Then make a step forward that the other hip can relax. And then do the same with the other leg. Be in your lower leg. Come back a little. And just try to rediscover the sensations. And then a step forward, and again the other leg. And you don't have to produce it, everything is there, you just notice it. Here I can feel it. And then step forward and the other leg again. Last time. And it's just approaching. You cannot have the same intimacy in the legs, but a sort of recollection. Step forward, breathe, and just feel your body and say thank you to your legs that they also produce such a rich recollections, sensations. Okay. That is what we did with the R last time. And then you remember, then we did the E gesture, yeah, where things change. And then we went out with the I, yeah? The E gesture into, stepping into the world. Instead of following, we experienced the U, but we brought it back to our experience with the O. And we do it now in a musical way. And when you just put your hands in front of you as if they would rest on a table and you have a little bit of tension in your hands and a little bit of reactiveness in your body, then you can turn your hands slowly as if there would be a key and you feel it in the body. The body reacts to this opening gesture. And then you turn the hands back and you notice how does the body react now. Return to yourself. Let go. A step backwards or forwards just to relax completely. Repeat. The hands. Return the hands. We turn the hands back. What does the body feel when we do it? How does the breath react? How far do I want to turn my hands? Depends. Let go. Return to yourself. Another step. Last time. The hands rest or have contact with something. They don't even rest on them, they have really contact with something, and then the hands turn, not the arms turn the hands, but the hands turn the arm and the whole body feels it. And the hands turn back and they turn the arms. And the body feels, and just decide yourself, how much do you want to turn the hands? And let go. The fifth, the sound and the gesture of being at the border, looking out to what's coming and where I want to go to, looking inward to the part of myself which is receiving, and observing all this going back and forth through this frontier. If we want to do it with the legs, the hands are represented by the soles of the feet. So make a step in any direction with your foot and place it, feel it as you felt your hands. But then notice I went this direction and now this force of bringing change about. Activate it as if you would inwardly turn your hands now, turn the direction of where you went, and then place your step in a new direction. Place your foot, feel your foot, arrive and feel the direction. It's not just choosing a new direction, but inwardly as if your soul would be a hand. Turn the direction you went until you feel the new direction, and then do the step in the new direction, and then lovingly place your foot on the earth. And the way you touch the earth is the way you touch your soul. And then this hand, soul, turns again your direction, creates a new direction. You place your foot. You change the direction. You go there. You feel your foot. You change the direction which you feel, turn, and you go the new direction. And maybe a last time, change in a way where you want to stand afterwards. Go there. Arrive. This quality belongs to the E gesture. We change right to left, left to right, right, and we make something out of it. The I gesture belongs to the seventh, and the seventh is just streaming into the big world, wanting to become part of the big. Yeah, so beautiful to lose yourself. So just start at your heart, use one arm, and from out your heart, you just go out and you shake your fingers because it's so exciting, because you want to try to touch something. It's not, I'm not waving to you, I just try to touch it. And maybe if I move a little bit, yeah, I can reach it. You sometimes notice when you want to reach something on a cupboard, you still try to stretch a little bit more. That's this feeling. And then you return to yourself. Do the same with another arm. And the secret again is you feel, you go out, and you can try to lose yourself as much as you want. As long as you feel your body, it grounds you. And you go out, and I feel my body, and I feel grounded so nicely, just because I want to go out, because it's one of my deepest longings to go out, so it belongs to me, and that brings me to myself, to my reality. Yeah? So, go out, and do it just playfully. And then just go out playfully. And maybe with two hands, playfully. Now the task is, because we are developing a story, to make it very light. It just wants to dissolve in everything. And so nice, it's here, and then just want to dissolve. Such a nice symphony, harmony. I want to take a bath in it. But the sounds are becoming silent, but I can still hear them, and just let this cosmos come about. So beautiful. And then create this O gesture, like your ear, that you still hear it. You are out there, but you're also here. And you feel your upper arms, your hands, but this fine feeling which you created around your being, through this ensouling your surroundings with your highest strivings. How do we do it in the feet? Very simple. It starts always in the heart. It goes through the body, and there we go out. We return to the heart, and there we try to stream. And through the heart, there. And the feet, the toes can, just twiddle a little bit there and there, and do it to the earth, because you want to go somewhere. It's not up there, but it's into the cosmos of the earth. And then you can just start playing there, there, there. And always you feel yourself. It starts at the heart, and it goes everywhere, there, there. It's not shaking, it's streaming through the body. And the streaming moves your toes and return. This would be nice to, it's nearly a sort of ecstasy. So, and now, but the task is, it becomes finer and finer. So, here, and very fine. And it's just, lovingly. Now we send love into the world. And more love. And love. It can be very peaceful now. but it's just dreaming. Then return, let go. Feel your thighs. Slowly stretch your thighs. Stay in them. It's all about the thighs now. Slowly they become straight. And notice that makes you awake in the feet. And keep this awareness of thighs and feet. And accept it as that's an O. 2. It's here where I stand, a loving heart. There's all this beautiful cosmos around me. I've just entered with a part of my being. And then let go. Sit down and take along with you what you have just executed. How is your body reacting to what we did? What are the movements doing you? How would you describe the different experiences of warmth now? Where is it cold? Where is it warm? Or you have many different perceptions of warmth. How would you describe them for yourself? What are they doing? And the overall experience of the body, is it more you have many different, so you are very differentiated, different limbs, or do you have more an overall perception of a body where everything is interconnected, or one space? Everything is perfect, just how is it for you at this moment? And how do the experiences of warmth change? Do they just stay warm? Into what do they transform? Just be open to what you experience.